it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. We're going to run through a really nice neck exercise to free up through the muscles of the neck and also help with forward head carriage, which is where the chin juts out a little bit too far over the chest. So you're going to find the sternocleidomastoid muscle. So this is the one that attaches to the lumpy point just behind the ears there and runs down onto the collarbones and a little bit of the sternum. So to locate that, we're just going to run up through this meaty point here in the neck and right up onto the lower front part of that lump there. So you're going to put some pressure into there, placing pressure through there, and then release. Pressure again, 1, 2, 3, and release, and again, 1, 2, 3, and release. So from there, we're going to place that pressure back in there again, about a 7 out of 10. Don't go too hard on it, but we need to stimulate the tissues there. So from there, bringing the head up nice and tall, you're going to rock the head back on that spot and then rock the head forward, almost like you've got an axis straight through those 2 points. And you're going to rock the neck on that axis. Keep the pressure onto that muscle attachment to the bone. You might roll off it slightly, but just readjust that pressure. We're going to do 8 to 10 of those. Just rocking the head backwards and forwards, almost giving a little bit of traction up and back onto that bone there, just to give yourself a bit more space through the neck. And from there, we're going to go into an anterior-posterior glide through the neck. So what you're trying to do is work from just the neck, and we're jutting the chin forward and back. So we're trying to get as much movement through the neck as we can between those two hands. Try and keep the chin quite flat as you go, and you can also, if you need to, push through the chin a little bit. So that'll get you a little bit extra stretch up through the top of the neck. Don't push it too hard. You don't want to go to the point of pain. Just a little bit of discomfort, a little bit of stretch. And you can do 12 to 15 of those. They're really nice. And then just roll the head side to side, do some extensions, and you find you've got a much more free neck.